Hey man, the car's almost on fire. Another one's coming. Hold up, I'm recording from this point of view. Another one's coming down there.
Okay, keep on recording.
A tragic event. So right now, guys, somebody crashed into a street light, basically ran over into somebody's yard, into a fence. Currently unconscious right now. Ambulance coming down from that way. Yeah, somebody took out the street light, as you can see. News team is going to be here in a minute. See, there's the ambulance guys coming. And here comes another one down there. Here comes another one coming down there. Oh, another police officer. Another patrol officer coming this way. Ooh, there, I see somebody carrying a stretcher over there. Yeah, let me do it. I got this. Oh, that's the EMS supervisor. Right there. I'm going to go ahead and get another view.
Yes, I'm at the accident reported in Macdonia.
This is a tragic event going on.
Stoplight, came through, busted through all of it. He's got an unopened bottle in the front seat, but it's not open. It's in the back. It wasn't open.
Yo, what's up, Robert? Hey, there's been a crash, man. He took down the entire street light, man.
Oh, he smashed through the stoplight poles. I know I've come down every minute. Yeah, he came blasting through there.
They didn't even see me. Shit. And she's like, I know. I was like, you don't know. I'm in
How long are we
Mexico."
gonna stay here?
Huh?
How long are we gonna stay here?
Well, no, a couple minutes.
Can I go across the street?
I don't care. Well, be careful going across there. For what?
Just get a closer
Okay,
look.
well, make sure ain't no car. Go ahead. Yeah, we got it blocked here. So go ahead. Go.
I know. I'm going. After that car goes. You Robert, bro. Bro, yeah, dude.
Bro, all I heard was
Bro, I'm gonna tell Isaiah this and John, bro. Bro, I'm recording this shit.
you recorded him crashing?
Yeah, no, we was coming from down there. We came and we saw a street light down, Rip Street light. Carrying him out on a stretcher.
Hey, that's happened. That's happened before. Look at that. He had a seizure. I was wondering if your neck was there. You gotta hang over this way on the coat.
Wait, so what exactly happened?
He had a seizure.
Oh, a seizure?
Seizure while driving and probably sped up the gas whenever he sat down.
Oh, that's,
Bro, that whole pole was tore out in the ground.
yeah, I wonder why that street light is now. I was like, what? We was coming from down that street,
Yeah.
from the fire station down there. We was coming back from Anderson.
That's like the
Bro, and the
craziest-
first thing I saw was a street light. I was like, why is the street light down? And I saw his truck, bro. Oh my god. I was about to call the police too.